In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Airtable subscription. Whether you're looking to change your plan or simply want to manage your expenses, cancelling your Airtable subscription can be a straightforward process when you know where to look. Let's walk through it together step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Airtable's website. You can do this by entering airtable.com into your browser's address bar. Once the site loads, you're going to click on the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your login details to access your personal Airtable dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage. This is where you can view all your projects and databases. Now look towards the top of your screen and click on your profile icon. This might sometimes look like your initials if you haven't uploaded a profile picture. Clicking on your profile will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to navigate to Account. Click on it, and this will take you to a new page where you have a variety of account-related options. What you're looking for next is Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click on that option. You're almost there. The Workspace Settings page is where all your workspace-related controls are found, from team management to billing details. Scroll down slightly or look through the options and click on Workspace Plan. This is the section where you can manage your subscription plans. Now that you have accessed the Workspace Plan settings, you'll have the option to manage your subscription. Make sure you review any terms and conditions that might be involved with cancelling your subscription. This includes understanding what happens to your data after cancellation and any possible fees that could incur. Take your time to ensure you understand any notification periods or renewal terms specified in your plan. Once you've made your decision, proceed with the cancellation. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check any changes you make in your account settings to avoid unexpected issues. And there you have it. You've successfully walked through the steps on how to cancel your Airtable subscription. Always make sure to keep a record of any confirmations or emails you receive during this process, as they might be important for future reference. Thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy organising with your newfound knowledge.